YouTube? It's your girl, Tanya Rochelle. It has been a whole month now since we have been running our intro to the diabetic test strips, business, partnership, startup, mentorship, all in one, or whatever you want to call it, on the group. We have done this successfully, letting people get into the mentorship group for $50, with them coming in from people having zero experience to some maybe having experience, getting the information, taking action, getting results. People have gotten paid already. And I said on the video that I did last week that I was going to run that special until the 1st. And today is the 1st. I had one gentleman to contact me today about getting into the group. I sent the information. So I think that's where I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to cut it off for that special price. So after you see this video, or after this video goes out onto YouTube land, the price has now increased. So is it going to be ridiculously priced? Absolutely not. I'm not going to do that to you. However, because I know that the value that I'm bringing with the tools that I'm giving you, because as a part of being in the mentorship group, you not only have access to myself and the information as a direct buyer to you, with you getting a 100% return. You not only have myself, but you also now have a community of other people who are doing this with you. A lot of these people now have done transactions, have done postings, have enough experience to a degree to where they can also help you as well as myself. Okay, and they can show you some of the different things that they're doing as well. But also, I'm giving as a part of the mentorship, the ebook. I do have an ebook now that breaks the business down. Just very simple. It's only a few pages because that's all you need. It's not a complicated business. It's a very simple model, very simple concept. And I told you, I'm a simple person. I don't do complicated. I just keep it simple and I'm able to move. Because remember, if you don't know, a confused mind can't move. So the simpler, the better. So that's what I have. So I know a while back people were asking me, well, do you just have a course or something? I don't have a course. I don't sell a course, okay? I don't want you to confuse this. I'm not a course seller. That's not what I do. I am a business owner, okay? I'm an entrepreneur. And what I am able to provide you with is the blueprint of this business. To tell you step by step by step. Now, I would say that being in the mentorship program is more of a benefit, but for some people, that may be sufficient for them to just have the book. Just give me the blueprint. I can figure it from there, and that's okay. If you want to do that, you can contact me, reach me at 832-291-2470. And I can get you the ebook. The ebook will be the same, I guess that's the entry fee was for the group, for $50. So you can, for those who were inquiring before, who did not want to do the mentorship program, you can directly contact me and I'll get you the book. Now let me tell you about how this is going to go with this book. This book is proprietary information. And I state that on the ebook as well. I will give you sharing privileges through a drive, through my Google Drive. So when you reach out to me, hey, I want to go ahead and get the book, I send you the link, you send the payment, I send you the share link so you can have access to the book. You'll always have access to the book. But my only thing I want to say to you is do not share the book. You purchase the book. It is a yo eyes situation only. I don't want to distribute, just have it out there like that. You know, you paid for it. I don't want people to just, oh, I can just get it randomly. No, we're not going to be doing that. So be respectful of that and understand we're not just going to have it just circulating. Information here is proprietary and it will help. It's the blueprint for this business. So, you know, if that's something you want access to, you can do that. For people who are still looking to get into the mentorship program, you can contact me and I'll let you know what our new price is.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. And it is the first of the month. How's everybody doing?
Excuse me just a second. I was finishing up another video and it just popped on. Okay. So for those of you who still want to get into our program, I will allow people to come in. You know, I'll still allow you to come in. It's just going to be at a different cost. Okay. I'm really loving the group that we have. Let me just take a minute and I'm going to show you some of the successes that we're having. Hold on. Here's one of our students who posted, I don't want to show their name quite, but it says, oh my God, I'm going crazy. I just got the best client ever. Thank you, Jesus. I'm at work. Can't even focus now. LOL. Keep grinding, y'all. All off Craigslist. So this is a client who, student, a mentee who used our techniques, has not been in here long, and bam, look what happened. You see what I'm saying? Also, let's see here. We have another student who just with using bandit signs, new business, new client. It says bandit signs work, right? And here's another student who got her first client. She also got her, she sent in her first invoice, made $400 in one transaction. And that's what she's showing y'all, you know, right there. Guys, if you're not in this group, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? People are making, you know, 4, 5, you know, in one transaction, $400. It took her, even if it just took her an hour, one transaction, she made $400. $400, okay? Absolutely just remarkable, remarkable. So I just wanted to show you that progress is being made and more progress is to come, right? I know, like I told y'all from the very beginning, this is my most consistent, the easiest, does not take that much time. It's such a wonderful return. I'm so thankful for having the information about this business. I know how it has been a blessing to me, and I know it can be a blessing for you. So it's April 1st. We have cut off the time frame now for getting into the group for the $50. It will be, you just reach out to me and I will let you know what that price is to get into the group. If it's someone who has contacted me prior to me changing the price, and you know, you were telling me you wanted to get in, but you needed a little more time. You know, for those of you, I will still honor that price. You know, I understand how it is. So you can contact me if that's the case and you reached out to me prior to, but just needed a little time to get in. I will still honor that price. But for everyone else, the time is here. The price is more. And for those who don't want to come into the mentorship group, you just want the information, you can reach out to me as well, and I'll give you the access to the ebook, and that will be the $50. That I will do. I know I had a lot of people who reached out before who said, well, what is it that I, can do aside from getting into the mentorship group to get the information? So this will be a way. However, I do feel like the best benefit is being into the mentorship group, because we give so much. I feel like I probably give you too much value, but I give you the information. I break the information down. I give you my resources. I give you examples, everything, So, so of course, I believe that the most value will be there, but I'm not you, and you can choose to do it how you want to do it. But I just want to be able to, whichever way that is, to be able to help you either way. Okay. So that's it. I didn't have a long video or anything like that. I just wanted to kind of come in and give a hello and talk about, hey, it's the first of the month. It's the cutoff time. So for people who want to get in past now, just reach out to me. I'll let you know what that new price is. For people who just want the information and want access to the ebook, there is a shareable link that I give you with the ebook. Is $50. It's proprietary information. It's not to be shared. It will be just for your eyes only. Okay. And we can do it like that. And for people who have reached out to me prior to, who needed a little bit more time, I will honor that $50 price for you to get into the group, but you must come in to take action. And this is non-refundable as well. Okay. All righty. So remember that contact number is 832-291-2470. And this is your girl, Tanya Rochelle. Have a good one.